Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Kenya. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Kenya, an Eastern African country driven by agriculture, farming, mining, manufacturing, tourism and financial services, has the third largest economy in sub-Saharan Africa. Finding the best Forex broker in Kenya can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a trustworthy broker who accepts Kenyan traders and to allow these traders to invest in their currency, the Kenyan shilling. So, in this list, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Kenya that allow Kenyan traders to trade in stocks, shares, indices, binary options, CFDs, ETFs, Forex and cryptocurrencies. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is IQ Option. IQ Option, a broker developed under the IQ Option Europe company, was founded in 2013. Contains a CY/SEC license with permission to provide its financial services within the European Economic Area Zone, with several other licenses from other EU local jurisdictions. IQ Option specializes and offers services in binary options, stocks, shares, currencies, and ETF trading. Featured platform is available on IQ Option's Ultimate Investment Platform, which is available on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on demo, standard, and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 90 different types of underlying assets, 24/7 customer support services, access to their free mobile application, and more. IQ Option also allows traders to take part in their online trading tournaments, which is an added bonus if you're feeling competitive. IQ Option also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a variety of trading tutorial videos, news, analytics, their very own trading blog and research center, and more if you are looking to expand your education with IQ Option. At number 4 is Vantage FX. Vantage FX is a transparent and secure broker regulated with the ASIC and FINMA. With Vantage FX, traders receive constant support through TeamViewer, fast and easy account opening, access to a range of features such as the Chart IQ platform, Zulu Trade for social trading, and more. Vantage FX specializes and provides services in trading through Forex, indices, energies, soft commodities, precious metals, and share CFDs. Available platforms are supported on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Zulu Trade, as well as the Vantage FX mobile application, which are supported on Android, iOS, and Windows operating systems. Accounts are provided on standard STP, RAW, and Pro ECN accounts with up to 44 tradable currency pairs, lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. An unlimited demo account is also available, allowing you to practice trading for as long as you need. Vantage FX also provides their very own educational panels, which delves into a variety of educational topics such as an overview of Forex trading, beginner's guides, manuals and video tutorials in MetaTrader functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your education with Vantage FX. At number 3 is Easy Markets. Easy Markets is an online fully regulated financial broker, which is recommended for beginner traders, is regulated by the SEC in Cyprus, the ASIC in Australia, and offers beginners enhanced risk management tools, fixed spreads on all Forex pairs, all on an easy-to-use Forex trading platform. Easy Markets specializes in trading through Forex, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, precious metals, and indices. Their featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and the Easy Markets web platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Standard, VIP, and Premium accounts with fixed spreads, lower minimum deposits, no commissions, over-the-phone customer support, a variety of trading safety and insight features, and more. Easy Markets also provides their very own educational academy, which features training courses, their very own educational video series, as well as a variety of ebooks that cover topics such as technical analysis, trading psychology, guides in platform functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education with Easy Markets. At number 2 is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and a variety of currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts, with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Kenya, we have Forex.com. Forex.com is a one-stop shop for Forex traders, providing a range of tradable currencies, low account minimums, and an impressive trading platform. Forex.com offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as Forex.com's advanced trading platform for web, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on standard, commission, and direct market access accounts with lower Forex fees, access to their web and mobile platforms, a variety of tradable currencies, an active trader program, and more. Forex.com also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a wide variety of educational themes, such as risk management, technical and fundamental analysis, a beginner's trading guide that features educational videos as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Forex.com. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Kenya on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and to leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and to let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.